Start by cutting the butternut squash in half using a sharp knife. Remove the top of the butternut squash and the thick outer skin. You can refer to the milk carton here for a rough size. Cut the piece of butternut squash in half. Carefully cut one of the halves into small pieces. Refer to the video for sizing. Collect a microwave vented mug and place the butternut squash in the centre. Add 1 tablespoon of boiling water. Give the mug a little shake to coat the butternut squash with water and add the lid. Make sure the vent is open on the lid. Microwave on high for 4 minutes. Leave the butternut squash to stand for 1 minute. It will continue to cook in this time. Carefully remove the lid and pierce the butternut squash with a fork to check it's all cooked and soft. If pieces of the butternut squash are still hard, put the lid back on the mug and return to the microwave for 1 minute. Following this, leave the butternut squash to stand for 1 minute before retesting. If necessary, repeat this process until the butternut squash is soft and cooked. This recipe uses an 800-watt microwave. Cooking times can vary between different microwaves.